In this video, we'll go from this
to this using this. Okay, so I've got a Samsung washer here that gets off balance very easily, and I'm hoping that these guys here will fix it. This started allegedly around the time that a car cover for a large SUV might have been washed in this. Don't know if that's the case, but maybe. First thing you want to try is to calibrate. It's a pretty simple procedure. It's different for each model because, well, there's different buttons on here. But for this one right here, with it empty, no clothes in or anything, press the power and temp buttons at the same time. You'll see this light up right here, all these light up. Then you press start, and now it'll start going through a couple cycles. It'll add water, spin it, drain it. Does that, I think it's 3 times, and then you'll hear the chimes when it's finished, and hopefully that will resolve your problem. If not, then replace the suspension as shown in the rest of this video. And the procedure for me took about 3 minutes total. Alright, so anyway, let's replace these guys right here. And as always, there'll be a link down there in the description to these, at least for this system, which is a Samsung. I'll put the information down there for this specific one. This is very similar, however, for many other washing machines, so you can at least get an idea of how to do it. So first things first, I will need to take off, well, first things first, I need to shut the water off, right? Let's shut the water off. And of course, unplug it. Don't any of you guys get electrocuted or anything, because, you know, I don't have that many subscribers. Get this out of the way, put you up here. I'll go up there. Now I hang upside down on my head. Oh, wait. This plug's actually kind of easy to get to. Just so I have proof, it's unplugged. Alright. Next, I'm going to remove a couple of screws back here. Okay, right here's the screws we need to undo. There's 2 here. And I believe 2 more right over here. There we go. I'm going to take those screws out. You probably won't be able to see me to do that because I'm working in cramped quarters. Starting with these 2 right here. That one. Okay, then these 2 over here. Then we'll slide the washer back in. Hopefully I'm done with that part. Okay, next along the front, I'm going to pop these out. There we go. Pull that one out. And I'm still recording. Okay, so we'll pop this one out too. Come on now. Get out of there. There we go. Took that out. Okay, and then these 2 Phillips screws right here. And right here are underneath it. Take those out. That one. And now this one. My screws are wanting to stay in there. Let's see if I can get them out. To be expected. There we go. Get the Phillips screw out. There we go. Now, flip this back. Okay. Now then, the rods. I saw it just a minute ago right here. Can't kill something in here. There we go. Just lift it out. That one looks okay-ish. And then, of course, put these things in. Best to do them one at a time. Spring goes down, right? Yep. There we go. There we go. Okay. All right, now to show you what I just did, a little bit close up here. Just lift that out, lift up on the tub itself, and lifted this out. And then down there on the bottom, let me get some light. There we go. And then down there, it just hooks in and out. Hopefully you can see the little slide there. There you go. And just repeat for all the sides. There we go. So put that in. Bring it down in there. Get you out of there. Again, just grab a hold of here. And I'll grab this one here. Get out. Oh, this one's got a little twist to it. So this one actually has a line connected up to it right there. Hopefully you can see that okay. I gotta pop that off and make sure I put it on the new one. So there we go. So again, that one's got a line that connects onto here. Make sure you disconnect it and then of course reconnect it. All right, and again, when you're putting these on, it's got a little clip down there like that, little slot, goes in like that and then pulls up. You're not going to get that past that little slot. There we go. There we go. There we go. Now the last one. Yay! Oh, that one's not going to let me do it easy, is it? There's the last one. Oh, that one's busted.
Hi, Dad.
There we go.
There you go.
Now that's back on. Now reverse and reinstall.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're going to set this back down.
Yeah.
Using caution for the wires and whatnot.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh, your shirt's stuck.
I got my shirt stuck.
Yeah.
Okay, and then just put the screws back in.
It's a dish shave. It's a dishwasher.
It's a clothes washer, sweetie.
It's a clothes washer.
All right, then I'll put these screws back in right here. Over here.
Yeah.
Same thing, not going to tighten it down completely just yet.
Oh.
I'll put these back in after I tighten it down, but I'm not completely done yet.
Yep. No.
Go ahead and pull it back out some so I can get to the back.
Oh, ow.
And
Yeah.
put those 4 screws in back here.
Okay.
Okay, then we put the other side on, the other 2 screws on. Okay. That sounds good. Push it back in. And before I plug it in, go ahead and tighten down these 2 front screws right here. That one. That one. Pop the little pieces back in. Is that right? It's not right. Make sure you get the curve right. And then pop that piece in. Okay, plug it in, and of course don't forget to turn the water back on. Check for leaks and all that kind of stuff. There you go. Now just throw a car cover in it and see if it works. Now, no, don't do that. See if it survives extra high speed spin.
It did. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, if you did, please select like down there and subscribe to my channel. If you didn't like it, well, subscribe to the channel, maybe you like the next one. Thank you for watching.